Okay, we're at part 5 now, and this is where we're going to do the line of best fit. So you're going to draw a straight line that passes close to the data points and find out how many points lie on your line, above your line, and below your line. I have done this already, so it's up to you to do this. Stop your video, and then you can go on to the next section. So I have done this. Your line of best fit should look something like this. And you'll notice that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 points above the line, 1, 2, 3, 3 points above, and 3 on the line. And it should look something like that. Okay, so when you're looking at what you've done so far, you have a strong negative correlation. You've drawn a line, and I have this just a little wrong right here, and it's not letting me erase it. Oh well. Anyway, it has given you, I know what's wrong. There we are. Okay. That should say 4. Okay. So you've gone on and you can compare your line tomorrow with some other students. You can't really do that now. And then using the line that you drew, predict the test score of a student who watched 2.5 hours of online play. So I've already done this. If you haven't done it, you might want to try it. And stop the video right now. So when I did this, I looked at my graph and I said, okay, 2.5 hours would be somewhere in the data. So it's going to be interpolation. And I go up from 2.5, which is about here. And I'm at approximately 74 or 75. And so I put 74 there. Okay, so of course you can check this, and you can do this with algebra, and so that's what we're going on to next. This is not on your note sheet. So you'll see I need to pick 2 points that reside on the line. Don't pick the ones that are outliers, the ones that are not on the line. So I picked 4 and 64 and 1 and 84, which are on the line. And I used what I learned in my previous work, okay, chapter 5. So m is equal to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. I plugged in the values for y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1, and I ended up with a -7 as my slope. So now I can put that into the equation and use it. So here's my equation so far. And now I'm going to plug in the values, the easy values. So 1 and 85 is an easy one. And so I'm going to plug that in and discover that my b is 92. And then I'm going to use that equation, so y equals -7x plus 92, and I'm going to use the 2.5 that I want to find, and that's my x value because that's the one that is the independent. And I'm going to substitute that in right here, and I end up with -17.5 plus 92, and I end up with 74.5, which is really close to my estimate, so I know that I'm in the right range. So if you do your math wrong, then if it doesn't look like your estimate from your graph, you know you've made a mistake. And that's the end of that lesson, and we'll do some more work tomorrow. Bye for now.